Hi there, Chris Stone here, CEO of TechQuarters. TechQuarters is an IT services business. We're based in sunny Vauxhall in London. Today, we've had a lot of people asking us about what the cloud is all about. So we're going to give you a quick summary again, because I think it's always worthwhile just recapping on a few things. So, we're going to talk to you today about cloud technologies, because they're widely universally known as cloud computing now. Microsoft's strategy, their direction and vision is all around cloud computing at the moment. And it's important for businesses to really embrace this now and move forward with the using of the cloud. It's been out long enough now. Okay, so some of the key trends. Mobility, social. Everybody's using Facebook, Twitter, all those famous apps. You've been using Hotmail and Gmail for quite a while now, but they're all plugging in the social stats. Okay, big data is what Microsoft call it. This is great big SQL databases up there in the cloud. And then of course businesses are all starting to harness the use of the cloud, saving some cash with that recession biting at the door. Okay, so really there's three ways of consuming the cloud. Firstly, they're called these funny names, SaaS, PaaS and IaaS. Okay, but what this means really is software as a service, platform as a service and infrastructure as a service. And what they're talking about is different ways of you subscribing and using these different platforms, as it were. We'll talk more about this. Okay, services that really come to life now they're separated into the public cloud or the private cloud. So what are the differences? Okay, so public cloud, everybody consumes these services anywhere around the world. There's loads of these available now. It's just through mainly software as a subscription or infrastructure. And the private cloud, where you can actually build your own infrastructure, but it's all housed at data centers. But your own private cloud can be behind your own firewall. So it makes it private to you on your own private equipment, but it's actually located in data centers. Public is located in, well, anybody can have access to it, but through a portal. Okay, so together, if you use one or the other of these, you're using either private or public. But if you want to mix it all up with your infrastructure, we call that a hybrid cloud. That's universally known now. Okay, so moving on. The services come into life. Let's drill through a little bit more. So, software as a service. What we're talking about here is everybody must have heard of Office 365 now. It's Microsoft's massive cloud power. You've seen it over all the stations in London. Especially Waterloo. CRM Dynamics, so Microsoft have released their whole Dynamics CRM suite. It also includes the service element, so you can run your help desk or logging system from it. And you can track all of your customers, your opportunities, your accounts, your contacts, and even starting with all your leads and how you generate them and follow them through. But these can all be accessed through a cloud portal. Okay, and Windows Intune. A lot of businesses are starting to pick this up now because it has a lot more constituents than just antivirus. You can do desktop auditing, but you can do it all from within a portal. You can capture all the technical details of your PCs and servers across your whole network infrastructure with just one portal. IT managers love this. Okay, so, and then finally, we're really harnessing a lot of this Windows Azure. You would call it in England, but if you're from America, it's Windows Azure. Okay, so Microsoft creates all these hosted virtual servers. You can back up your data to them. They're basically about a couple of years behind Amazon because Amazon have these instances and massive infrastructure there. But Microsoft now has just gone full blown into this. They've built this massive infrastructure for Windows Azure, totaling up something 8.6 billion of investment. So if you want to put your own hosted servers in the cloud, put them on Windows Azure. You save yourself some cash. Okay, so look, that's a little bit about the cloud. We'd love to talk to you more about this. If you want to call us on 0800 148 8001, and either myself or one of our super techies will have a quick chat with you. Thanks for listening, and you can email us at Tell Me More as well. Cheers, have a good day.